GSV has over 15 years of experience in instrumentation products. The company is an ISO 9001 certified company. We have in-house research and development engineers. All our products are designed, manufactured and tested in-house, adhering to stringent quality standards. We believe in extensive traceable quality control procedures and high-end solutions at reasonable prices. We're the only manufacturer of ultrasonic level measurement products in India. Welcome to the AMR wireless OEM platform for smart metering. AMR smart metering enables utilities to monitor water, gas and electric meters remotely. Using GSV's wireless technology, AMR platforms can connect meters reliably across networks of any size. AMR smart metering can cover entire cities, homes, apartments and commercial buildings. The AMR technology reduces manpower, increases reliability and customer satisfaction. There are two broad categories of AMR systems: walk-by or drive-by wireless and fixed wireless system. Both these solutions are based on 4 core products. First of all, meters are equipped with a wireless transmitter integrated directly or as an add-on module. Second is the collectors and repeaters that collects data from all meters within its range and transmits data over Ethernet or GPRS to and from the utility's backend system. Third is the handheld unit, which is a battery-powered unit which, when taken within radio range of field meters, collects data and stores it in its internal memory, which is then transferred to the utility backend database using USB connection. Lastly is the AMR.net management software at the utility's control center. Our system provides complete coverage regardless of distance, number of meters or landscape. Walk-by system. The AMR system consists of meter interface units, MIU, handheld units, HHU, and a PC-based station. The meter interface units are installed at each meter. During operation, the handheld units are taken past the MIUs either by walk-by or drive-by. During this drive-by, the handheld unit collects the meter readings using a wireless link to the MIUs. These records are stored in the handheld unit's memory. The system does not require any repeater stations, since the handheld units will be driven past each MIUs for reading the meters. This data can later be transferred to a PC station over a USB interface. Fixed wireless system. The system consists of meter interface units, MIUs, which are installed at each meter, repeater stations which collect the meter readings from the MIUs, and a PC-based billing station which in turn receives the meter readings from the repeater stations through a system of collectors. Bulk meter drive-by system. Walk-by wireless technology can be used for bulk water meters also. Bulk water meters are used for measuring amount of water, reverse flow and pressure on distribution pipelines. These systems need to store large amounts of data for analysis later. The data is stored in the meter interface unit's internal extended memory. GSV's MIUs for bulk water meters can store forward flow, reverse flow, line pressure and leaks. The data can then be retrieved from these MIUs using 3 options: USB, RF modem or GSM modems. Here is an example of Elster bulk water meter connected to a distribution pipeline. The Elster H4000 water meter is fit with an inductive sensor and the pipeline is fit with a pressure sensor. GSV's FT200BM battery powered flow and pressure data logger collects the pulses from both the sensors and logs the flow and pressure parameters in its internal memory. The data from these data loggers can then be retrieved using a USB interface, RF modem, GSM modem or a GPRS transmitter. Data can also be retrieved using an RF enabled handheld unit. These handheld units can be connected to a PC to upload the data. Once the data is transferred to the PC, the AMR.NET software is used to prepare bills, generate consumption reports, revenue charts, and much more. AMR.NET enables you to manage distribution networks, flow parameters, and leaks in the system. Efficient use of the billing module automates much of your revenue collection and monitoring. Automated alerts and emails can be sent to users and customers. Benefits of AMR systems: increased revenue from previously unaccounted for water due to faulty mechanical meters, reduced meter reading costs due to lesser human labor required, and significant reduction in meter reading times. Safety and privacy issues avoided due to non-intrusive wireless data collection. Help in identifying and pinpointing customer and system losses. Enhanced monitoring of system integrity. Improved conservation and efficiency. Improved customer service. Help in detecting theft of service. More efficient billing. Improved cash flow. Outage detection and management capabilities. Jamshedpur Utilities and Services Company, JISCO, has signed water supply and management contract for Mysore City Corporation. The project will distribute water from the Kaveri River to consumers spread over a 1,200 km network from 28 small and large reservoirs. Water supply will be gradually converted to 24/7 networks with an objective to supply water 24 hours a day with service level guarantee adhering to national and international benchmarks. The performance target covers the following water supply parameters: conversion of all water connection to 24/7 continuous water supply, improvement in collections of water charges, to reduce the difference between the quantity of bulk water supplied and the quantities for which revenue is collected, to respond to the complaint within 24 hours in the 24/7 continuous water supply zone, to reduce the leakages in the 24/7 continuous water supply zone to 20%.
To start with, the project concept was Mysore is having a very old water infrastructure. They wanted to revive the things. So they went to government of Karnataka and India to get a project approval plan. In that it was made that project requires fund, any project. So if it is a GNRM funded project, that is where they can get a lot of money to do the project of total water infrastructure revival. But in that, the main thing, the concept given by GNRM was it should be a 24/7 project. Then only we fund the project. That is why many people get the question, why 24/7 first project of this magnitude is only in Mysore. Among the so many, even not in capital of Delhi or business capital of Mumbai, now Mumbai everywhere they are going up, but this was the concept why it has first come to Mysore, or this is the thing. Requirement was felt, it was approached, and government felt that it can be honored only if this 24/7 project is implemented. Fine. Where does JUSCO and all comes? It is a competitive bidding, international bidding there. JUSCO has quoted the price best to the thing. First 1 year they have studied the entire water infrastructure, the entire network, service, conditions, and this project is having a unique feature is like you own the project. Now JUSCO is maintaining the water supply of Mysore, where they are issuing bills, they are maintaining the water supply system in the city, and all the improvement, all the quality defects and all are attended by JUSCO. Just MCC or Mysore City Corporation or Water Supply Board, they are the execution agency, Water Supply Board actually, nominated by MCC to take care of the project. They are the, like our client, but they are the contractor to MCC, who is in contract to monitor the project. Project monitoring is done by Water Board. So JUSCO first started, one phase is to read, study on the system and maintain the system as and where the condition was during handing over from MCC. So that which JUSCO is already doing now and continuing to do. The study period of 1 year, they have come out that this many kilometers of the network need to be revived or changed. They are not able to take the load, or they are worn off. PVC pipes were there now, somewhere with CI pipes. So in that the CI pipes were all sample tests were done, and all through tests and everything, that they got that this many kilometers can be retained, which is able to take load. It was found that out of the total city scope which was given, 950 kilometers of network need to be replaced, which is a huge task. But when the total study was completed, this 950 transformed to 1700 kilometers. Oh, so our present BOQ limits us to only 900 kilometers, 950 kilometers, but our end scope maybe that's 1700, where there is again a chance of everything adding up. Our connections which were given is 1,17,000, now we find 1,78,000 connections.
Yeah, around 2 lakhs.
And in this 3 years, another 30,000 will definitely add up. I am in charge of this total construction phase, this rehabilitation which we are doing for the entire network, systems and all. And operation team there, as I told you, that they are maintaining the existing network and we. So finally for me, I will hand over this when I construct it to my operation team. They will be again maintaining it for the life we have in the contract, and then finally it will be given to us. This is what the job is. That it's all in a team effort we are doing it, and this is definitely a very good integrated solution which I find, and I also came out with a lot of queries during when I planned this visit.
Yeah.
I felt many of those are answered.
Before came.
Answered in a very proper way, and which was giving us a solution. See, anything if you show any product, any system, you should try to give a solution to the customer or to the end user in a very user-friendly way. That is what the thing is. So, till to my understanding, I do find.
JUSCO made a critical decision and decided to focus on key technologies that would lessen their dependency on traditional systems and provide a viable solution for future development. A cost-benefit analysis identified significant direct hard cost savings over the life of the hardware by opting for Elster water meters equipped with AMR transmitters. When compared with the initial suggestion of using electromagnetic flow meters, in addition to this, they identified related benefits, both qualitative and monetary, to our revenue and customer service departments. To ensure that the best technology was implemented, GSV created an open bidding process for purchasing water meters. This gave GSV a strong base of diverse meter manufacturers and types from across the country and abroad. After reviewing key research, GSV determined that it would be most cost effective to use Elster multi-jet water meters model NTR KN and bulk Voltman type model H4000 equipped with AMR transmitters for all new connections and compatible electronic transmitters for correctly functioning existing meters. The AMR system of choice, Elster and GSV technology. GSV had initially opted for electromagnetic flow meter. We offered Elster's H4000 bulk water meters with pulse output and GSV's AMR technology. We were able to highlight the advantages of Elster H4000 meters combined with battery-powered AMR technology from GSV. The solution offered by GSV and Elster is much more cost-effective and long-lasting compared to electromagnetic flow meters. Similarly, for domestic and commercial connections, GSV provides solutions based on Elster MTR, KN and M170 water meters. Fully imported solutions were offered by a number of vendors. The solution offered by GSV is based on field-proven models of Elster along with AMR technology from GSV. This combination is highly cost competitive and reliable. This combination was selected over the more expensive, fully imported solutions.